Welcome to Nezo, where smart design meets data-driven decisions. Start by downloading the Nezo installer for SketchUp from our tutorials and downloads page via our website. Then proceed to open SketchUp. Once loaded, head to the Extensions drop-down, then select Extension Manager and install Extension. Find where the Nezo installer for SketchUp is located and hit Open. Nezo should now be installed within SketchUp. Go ahead and open up the Nezo app. Here you will be greeted with the dashboard page. You will be able to navigate to accounts, projects, materials, and videos. We'll start by importing materials. Head to the Materials button. Either search for a material by name or scroll through the list and find a material. We've categorized materials based on the elementals, so substructure, frame, structural walls, etc. Hit Import once you've chosen your material. SketchUp will automatically select that material you've imported. All you have to do is apply it to a face or object. You'll also see the name has appeared in the right side tray. For your square meter materials, you will have to apply that to the face only. Let's import another material and show you a real-life example. All objects must be in a group for them to successfully sync with Nezo. I am currently applying a square meter CLT wall to one side of the object that is already in a group. The object should not have any other material applied. Let's show you another example of a square meter roof material. You can also access quick map materials directly in Nezo. No need to import anything, just sync your model and choose materials directly from the library. See more on how to do this in the projects tutorial. Now onto cubic meter materials. First, find a cubic meter material from the list. The unit column will show you the type. Select Import, then apply the cubic meter material to the entire group, as shown here. In another example, I have a LVL column. Our materials sometimes have a cubic meter quantity allocated. First, double check the quantity of the object. SketchUp will let you know. Then search our material database for the correct material that suits your object. In this case, it's a LVL column, which is under 0.2 cubic meters. Go ahead and import and apply the material. Once you are ready to sync with Nezo, make sure the entire building is within its own group. Then select the entire building and head over to the building variant page. Click Sync from SketchUp. And there you have it. Your model and materials are successfully loaded into Nezo. Explore your model and the detailed view of materials with ease. Quickly compare materials and upload other building variants by repeating this process. See the project's tutorial video for more information.